outside. Let's make some hot chocolate. Okay, to make some of the best cocoa ever, grab your cocoa powder, your sugar, vanilla extract, some water, and some dark chocolate. I chose 70% here. Now here are all the measurements on the screen, and you're going to want to add all the items in except for the dark chocolate. We're going to want to do this so that we can bring the mixture to a boil first. Basically, we're going to stir often and stir well on low to medium heat. So once you see it bubbling like this, you're going to add in your chocolate, and you're going to want to stir it some more. You're going to want to stir it really well here. And you're pretty much done. You're going to dip your spoon in, and if it clings onto the spoon like this, you're good. Now take your chocolate sauce and pour it into your cup. I use about 50 milliliters. You can use less or more. Then I use some chocolate powder to give it some pizzazz. And you could steam your milk, or you can just microwave your milk. Here I'm going to steam it and hopefully get some cool latte art. Alright, here we go is the pour. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not my best work though. And you're pretty much done once you have this. This should taste really good. It's a very simple 5 ingredient hot cocoa, and I hope you liked it. Drink well and be well, y'all. See ya.